Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can utilize the Instagram polls feature in Instagram stories to boost your engagement. So please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do is go into Instagram and you're going to swipe from the left side of the screen to the right. And then you're going to click on the AA icon right there on the left. And from here, you can just use one of these gradient backgrounds. And if you click on the bottom right, the little color icon, you can change the color to a few preset options. So I'm just gonna go with this one. And then I'm going to click on the sticker icon in the top middle, click poll, and write out my question. Which do you prefer? Question mark. And then I'll do cat or dog. Easy. You can add another option, but for this I'm just going to use cat and dog. And then you can click the color wheel up here to change the color of the poll. So I'm going to do that. And then I will just add a couple stickers just to give it some visual interest. So I'll search for cat. And it shows up behind the poll, so I'll just move the poll for a minute. And let's do dog. And there you have it, super easy. And then I'll click your story and it'll show up on my story. Just like that. And somebody can go in and engage with you super easily just by a click of a button, cat or dog, or whatever you prefer. So now let me show you how I can take this and sort of elevate it a little bit, super basically in Canva. So I'm in my Canva app on my phone. I'm gonna click the plus icon on the bottom and choose Instagram story size. And then I'll click the plus on the bottom left and I'll scroll on the bottom to where I see photos. And I already searched cat and dog photos, but you can search here, cat, but I'll just use the ones that I had. So here's one, and I love that Canva gives you guidelines, so I know that's the center. And then I will add, again, a dog photo. And there we go. I will make that even, boop, boop. And I'm just gonna bring him down just a little bit so that we have room for our poll in the middle and we're not cutting off his cute little ears. And then I'll click the download button on the top and I'll just save this image directly to my phone and it's saved to my camera roll. Now I can go into Instagram and I can do the same thing. So I'll swipe from left to right, and then on the bottom left you can see the little square that'll take you to your camera roll. I will choose this image. I'll click the sticker icon on the top, poll, and we'll start all over again. Which do you prefer? I should have worn my glasses. Cat, dog. Color wheel, let's see. That's a good one. And you can make it bigger, smaller, you can make it, you can turn it however you want with 2 fingers, pinch in and out. But I'm gonna do, I hate to cover the little guy's ears, but just a little bit, that's fine. And add to your story. So now you've got 2 options. You have this option or this option. I just feel like this looks really nice and it's free to make. The Canva app is free. Of course, there is a paid option, which I love. But for this, you really don't need the paid option. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.